Alright guys, video 3, 7th grade math, talking about integers, big major standard in 7th grade. I want you to make sure you know how to do this before you go there. Your objective for this video is, as a student, you should be able to subtract positive and negative numbers accurately. Okay? Now, you need graphic organizer number 2, side number 2. Integers in real life, once again, bills and allowances, debits, credits, bank accounts, temperature below and above, sea level below and above 0. All of those things, that's when we see integers. You will see these every day for the rest of your life, so that's why this one is important. Alright, now, subtracting rules. So, listen, the subtracting rules are basically the same exact rules as the adding rules. You just need to copy them down. However, once again, Mr. Williams doesn't like remembering these rules because sometimes they mess you up a little bit, and quite honestly, it's just easier to use logic. So the rules are there if you're a rule follower. However, I'm going to show you how to do some logic. So once again, Mr. Williams' method. What's 1? We're going to use bills and allowances, and 2, we're going to use logic to determine the answer, which just simply means let's talk ourselves through it. Now, there is one thing that we must know when we subtract integers. There is a special rule. Okay? Anytime we subtract a negative, so think about that, we're subtracting a negative. That means they're right next to each other. And you can see that right here. Okay? You see that there's 2 negative signs right next to each other. There is not an integer in between them. Right? This is a special rule when there's those 2 negative numbers right next to each other. In that particular case, we're going to actually convert those 2 negative signs into one positive sign. Now, why would we do that? So before I show you why we do that, I'm going to just show you what we do. Generally, I just take those 2 negative numbers or negative symbols, put them together, and create a plus sign. What we would really have is negative 38 plus 2. Now, why? Well, I'm on the side here. I'm going to show you. Negative 38 minus a minus 2. What you're doing is you have negative $38. So you owe money, but you're taking away a bill. Okay? And when you take away a bill, you're actually getting money back. Okay? So I consider this a refund. Think about it. Okay? You had some money in your pocket on Wednesday, and unfortunately, you needed a pencil from Mr. Williams. And Mr. Williams charged you $2. So you had to pay him $2. Well, maybe you come in on Friday and Mr. Williams felt bad. Really not likely. I mean, come on, let's be honest. That's not likely for me to feel very bad about that. However, okay, that $2 he decides to give you back. Well, what happened is you had a refund, which means you've added a little bit more money to your pocket. And that's what's happening in this situation. You're getting a refund. You're getting money back that you already paid. It's just awesomeness. Okay? So, what are we going to do? Well, we've got 6 examples. Make sure you're following them and you got them written down. Here we go. Okay? Bills and allowances. Once again, 8. Hey, there's no symbol in front of it. Must be an allowance. Minus 10. Hey, that minus 10 goes with it. That's a bill. Remember, the operation symbol in front of the digit is the one that you go with. So, we have an allowance of $8, but you owe Mr. Williams 10. Can you pay him? No, you can't. You still owe me money. How much do you still owe me? You owe me $2. Congratulations. Right, next one. We have negative 4 minus 5. Well, that negative 4, was that a bill or an allowance? It's a bill. Negative 5, that's also a bill. We put those 2 things together because you owe me $4 and you owe me $5. I'm trying to retire in this video, just letting you know. So you owe me 4 and you owe me 5. Do you have any money? Nope. So it's a negative answer. How much do you owe me? Well, you owe me $9 total. All right, next one. Hey, wait, this is that special situation. I know it because I have a minus right there in the middle. What do I do with those 2 things? Well, I connect them and create them a plus because I'm getting a refund. So what do I have now? Now that I can do my bills and allowances, I have a bill here, and that plus 9 is an allowance. So hey, you have $9, but you owe me 2. Can you pay me? Yes, you can. Do you have money left over? Yes, you do. So it's a positive answer, and you're going to have $7 left over. Ladies and gentlemen, that's example number 3. Example number 4. Once again, we have that special rule. We have a minus. What do we do with them? Connect them together, create a plus sign because you're getting a refund. That's $6. Hey, that's an allowance. That's plus 11. That's an allowance. Hey, you've got 2 allowances. That's like getting 2 paychecks. You got $6 for just being awesome, and you got $11 for mowing the lawn. How much money did you get? Well, you got 17 bucks. Congratulations, you could almost buy that game. All right, next one. -3, -10. Well, that one right there, oops, got to go back. -3 -10, that is a bill. And -10, that's also a bill. You have 2 bills, you have no money, no allowances. That sucks. So, what do you have? Well, you owe me money. How much do you owe? You owe $13. Congratulations. All right, next one. 12 minus a -9. What do we do with that? Well, once again, special rule. You take them together, create a plus sign, and what do you get? Well, you got an allowance of $12 and an allowance of $9. That means you get 2 paychecks. You get paid $12 and $9. What do you get? Hey, that's 21 bucks. Congratulations, you've got some money. Hey, you're getting even closer to that video game now. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, here you go. I want you to do these 6 right now. Go ahead and pause the video, and I'll show them in just a second. Go ahead. All right, here we go. -4, -2. Both of those were bills. You should have gotten -6. Second one, minus a minus. You should have created that as to an allowance and a bill. Okay, you should have had $2. Next one, 12 minus 6. Hey, that's just 12 minus 6. Or you could say allowance and bill. Either way, you have a bill for $6. You have 12. Can you pay me? Yes, you have $6 left over. Okay, 7 minus a -3. That's a special rule. Remember, you're getting a refund. That's an allowance. This was an allowance. You've got 10 bucks. All right. Next one, 8 minus 12. That's an allowance. -12. That's a bill. You owe me 12. You only have 8. Do you have enough to pay me? Nope. You still owe 4 bucks. Congratulations. And finally, 7 minus a -2. Hey, that one, that creates a refund. We have an allowance and an allowance. How much do you have? Well, you've got $9. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Whew, I'm tired, yawning. It is almost midnight. Your exit ticket for this video, you have these 4. I want you to show them to Mr. Williams when you're done. You need them, have them checked. Remember, your goal for this video is to get 100% and to be able to subtract positive and negative numbers accurately. When you are done with this exit ticket, you will be doing worksheet number 10. All right, exit ticket it is. Ladies and gentlemen, good luck.